I have a fun move today to teach you, and it's called Eat Banana. This move is one of my favorites, and you can use toe stops or jam plugs to do it, so choose whichever you prefer. I'm going to teach starting with the right foot first because it's my dominant foot. You can fast forward to the left one if you need to. We start with the feet parallel to each other. The right foot is going to kick out on its heel, and then all four wheels make an S shape. As you're making your S shape, the other foot is slowly rolling back, preparing to eventually hop onto the toe wheels if you're on your jam plugs, or your toe stops if you have on your toe stops. The key here is to bend the knee inward. This is going to significantly help jam plug users to balance on those wheels for the next part. At the end of the shape, you're going to make a half circle. Your body position, including that inward knee, and your momentum will help you complete this part. Once the half circle is complete, your 2 feet can lie flat and begin the move on the next side, starting with the kick out onto the heels. The best way to get the motion is to drill each side individually, so do your kick, knee, half circle, and come back to a parallel position. You want to get used to the feeling of your knee's weird position, and again, using your momentum for your half circle. It is a lot easier on toe stops, so if you want to start off with them in, go ahead, but I promise the jam plugs are just as safe and fun and actually feel a lot smoother. Eventually, you can skip out on that extra kick to start off an opposite side, but for now, I encourage it so you can get the rhythm and the momentum. This is a foundational move. It has a ton of variations, which I haven't even learned yet, like the banana cross, extended banana, banana vine, and banana split. Tony, one of the Venice skaters, is the pro, but he's not big on social media. So as soon as I find a way to learn them, I'll share it with you guys. That's it. If you have any questions, let me know. If you like the video, be sure to subscribe, check out the other tutorials, and leave your suggestions in the comments below. See you in the next one.